In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use Reframe in Photos on iPhone. Intro. Now, first things first, you do need to open up the Photos app and you need to essentially just select the photo that you want to adjust. Let's say it's this one right here that I just actually took in the last video. You want to go ahead and essentially just select it, and then you need to hit edit. It'll take you to a page that looks something like this. You need to tap tools down in the very bottom, and you need to essentially select reframe. So select tools, you'll see reframe right here. This one wouldn't actually work too well just since this is technically a screenshot from a video. We'll choose a different one instead. We'll say it's this photo instead. So essentially we'd select the exact same thing, hit tools, hit reframe, and as you can see, it's essentially going to scan it, and then it's going to adjust it. And you could touch and drag directly on the image to change the camera angle and perspective. Like, look how fancy that is. This is 3D now. That's pretty cool. The process really is as simple as that. Whenever you're ready, just hit reframe, and as you can see, it'll go ahead and reframe it in that specific way. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.